Hi everyone, my name's Adam Beck. I'm Executive Director of the Smart Cities Council here for Australia and New Zealand. I wanted to share with you some of the exciting online engagements that we have coming up as part of Smart Cities Week Australia and New Zealand 2020. This year, Smart Cities Week goes online. We have more than 20 engagements between now and the end of the year. We have everything from rapid lunchtime discovery sessions on emerging technology and data, platforms and products and solutions. But equally, we have these multi-week collaborative online project planning sessions where a small cohort of cities and other stakeholders will come together. They'll meet 2 hours per week for 4 weeks, and they'll be using our Smart Cities Activator, an online platform, to work through a series of modules and templates. And we've got 3 of these sessions on offer. If you head to Smart Cities Week Australia New Zealand website, scwaustralia.com, you'll sort of find a whole array of different online engagements. And what you'll see in here is a couple of these, 3 of them actually, of these online planning processes. The first one in June is data leadership. In July, we have urban streetscape analytics, and in August, we have scaling your IoT investment. And what happens is each of the cohort participants get a profile and a login into the platform. And each week we will run through a series of modules, and we'll have guest presenters and content specialists that will support along the way, provide insights and presentations and case studies on how they've sort of responded to or addressed the particular topics that we're dealing with. With next month's session on data leadership, creating a data leadership roadmap, we have 4 weeks structured up and a series of modules within the template. In week 1, we look at those fundamental data leadership vitals for us: data purpose, privacy, ethics, governance, and security. We've got those data leadership drivers for your organization, helping you identify those, mapping your stakeholders, and of course, making sure that you've got good access to some resources that can help you in your data leadership journey. In week 2, we sort of move to assessing your vitals. Where are you at? A bit of a maturity assessment, lessons learned, SWOT analysis, for example, and creating a range of problem statements from the different perspectives of key stakeholders. It could be elected officials. Equally, it could be small business or your community. In week 3, we then look at mapping your success. And in Activator, in week 3, for example, we find things like our digitized project success canvas. And this is where we sort of map value proposition for data leadership, your key stakeholders, who are the beneficiaries, activities, partners, and similar things like that. When we get to week 4, summarize, consolidate, share sort of views, but more importantly, also create the action plan. So what are your next few moves when it comes to data leadership and creating your roadmap? And we build up a short Kanban there. Now, the nice thing about this and doing this online through the Activator platform is you get access into this for the year after this session. So you can go in at your own pace. You can build out those canvases more. You can add new modules in there. We've made a start. You'll work through over those 4 weeks, building up and completing and filling out some of those modules. But what's nice is you can then go away at your own pace and sort of build them out relevant to the key issues and context for your organization. So encourage you to head to scwaustralia.com, have a look at all of the different sessions that are on offer. Those 3 online collaborative project planning sessions are sort of up and running. The first one is available for registration. It's free to cities and other government agencies and members of the Smart Cities Council. But then we have a range of other online engagement sessions over the coming months that are free to all stakeholders. I hope that's been informative. I hope we see you online soon with Smart Cities Week, and we look forward to talking again soon.